Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Lab Security Plus Pinning Kit. The part number is LMDSEC. Now, this is a security pinning kit, and it includes both spool and serrated top pins. The diameter of these pins are the same as standard top pins, which is a 0.115. So that means you can use this kit on all standard style locks like Quickset, Schlage, Sargent, Yale, and all the different imported ones as well. Now you can see it comes in a nice midnight blue case. And let me open it up. I'll show you what's inside here. All right, the first thing when you open it up for the first time, you'll notice it comes with this plastic insert. Now, this kit only comes with 20 of each size, and you can see how far down that is in each of those holes. So if you put like 50 plus in there, you won't be able to use it. But if you're not filling up your kit that much, I would definitely recommend using this plastic insert. Now it does have a foam top cushion, so if you can't use the insert, you can still close this down. This foam will push against it and keep it nice and secure so the pins aren't going to move around. Now it comes with 13 different sizes of spool and serrated pins, and I just wanted to point out here that if you look at the sizing, like on these serrated as a 155, 165, 170, then a 172 and 187. So it's not going to come in standard increments like a universal 3000s or 5000s pinning kit does. And the reason for that is they've tried to get all the standard sizes that the manufacturers are using for top pins. Now, in some instances, you're not going to be able to get identical to them, but you'll get close enough that it's not going to affect how the lock works at all. One thing I wanted to really point out, and for some it'll be very obvious, if you want to come right over here, zoom in, and you'll see, so this one here is a spool, and that's a serrated style pin. And it's really important when you install them in the lock that you install them the way it's shown here. So you want to put the spring goes in, and then you put the top pin in like this. So you want the spool part and the serrated part down. That's going to be hitting in the on the top pin, or on the bottom pin, excuse me, and that's where all the extra security for picking and manipulations come from. So if you put these pins in backwards, it's really not going to make any difference. It's going to be exactly the same as if it was just like a standard top pin. So anyways, this is the Lab Security Plus Pinning Kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.